In this video, let's begin using the Google Keyword Tool. This tool is inside Google Ads. You come here by going to google.com/ads. And right away, we meet our first point of confusion. Even though this is a tool inside Google Ads, you do not have to pay for the ads, okay? This is going to be free. It's just a tool in their ad system. And there are two kinds of students that are watching this. Some students have already used Google Ads. For them, this is going to appear differently. And there are some students who are brand new, never used Google Ads, never used the Google Keyword Tool. In this video, I'll walk you through both cases. The easy case is if you've already used Google Ads before, all you have to do is sign in. I have two accounts, so it's going to ask me which one. If you just have one account, it will probably just land you to your account. But once I choose my account, it takes me to my account and I'm already in what's called expert mode. So all I'll do is go to Tools, Keyword Planner, and boom, I'm already at the Keyword Planner. And all I have to do is just use it. This is the easy case. Now I want to show you how to get here. If you have a brand new account, it's a lot more confusing to get here. And so what I've done is I made a brand new account myself, and I'll walk you through literally click by click of how to get here from a brand new account. So as you can see, I'm on ads.google.com, and if you just type that into the URL, it will add this extra things to the URL, but we're not interested in that. We'll say start now. And in our case, we're going to create a new Google Ads account. I'll walk you through everything from absolute scratch. So we'll click on new ads account, and then it's going to ask us to start setting up our ad, like fill in your information. We'll go next. Then it's going to ask for more things. Your website, you may not have a website. In any case, it's going to keep asking things. So what you don't want to do is this route, okay? Actually, don't fall into that. What you want to do is, you see there was this option here. Are you a professional marketer? Switch to expert mode. This is going to save you a million headaches. You say yes, switch to that. This is where you want to get anyway. So that was the first step to bypassing all those headaches, but it's a little confusing, but they're going to try to get you to keep on filling out your business name and your URL. Don't do that, because this route is the route to set up your ad. You don't have to run the ad, but they're going to ask you for payment information. You don't want any of that. So you click this link, create an account without a campaign. This is what you need. Otherwise, you're going to have a super cumbersome, like 10-minute process, after which they're going to ask you for payment information and you're going to create an ad. You don't want that. So make sure you click this, because you just want the Google Keyword Tool. You don't want to set up the ads. Obviously, if you were here to set up your ads, it would be proper to set up your ads, but we're only here to use the Google Keyword Tool. So let's click create an account without campaign. You give it your information and say submit. This is just basic information. And then great, you're all done. See how easy that was? Explore your account. Okay, let's do that. What you will see on top here are some options like tools and settings. That's what you want. And under that, you want to go under planning, and then you want to go under keyword planning. Now notice there are many items. It can be very cumbersome and confusing as to what you might need. Sometimes, depending on your screen size, these items may appear anywhere randomly, or sometimes Google changes their design. So what you really want is Keyword Planner. That's the thing you need. Keyword Planner. Let's go there. Then it's going to give you get search volume and forecasts, or discover keywords. Go to discover keywords. And then you're here. And from here, you can click on anything. Let's say you want to see how many people are searching the word business plan. And then it's going to show you all of these results. You can kind of drag some of the columns here, because some columns here are very important for you. Like the keyword field, the keyword column is really important for you. The average monthly searches is very important for you. The rest of the columns are unimportant. They have to do mostly with running ads. We don't care about that. We care about just keyword research. So we're only concerned with the first two columns, and what we're looking for is keyword ideas that you may not have thought of, and then we're looking at volume. Now you'll ask, well, they give you a range. That's a big range, 10,000 to 100,000. What is it really? The answer is they'll give you more specific numbers once you start running ads. But to be honest, even if you assume, let's say it's 30 or 40,000, somewhere in the middle, or even 10,000, it's still a lot. Like, it's a good ballpark approximation. You don't need the specific. It doesn't help that much to actually have the specific number, but you'll get specific numbers once you actually start running ads. But you don't have to do that because this is often good enough. And there are many more questions that people ask when looking at this. Like, one question is, how do I know what volume I need? Is 1,000 good? Is 10,000 good? Is 100,000 good? What number is good? Is 10 good? Not 10,000, but just 10 by itself. I'm going to cover all of these questions in the upcoming videos, so you'll understand exactly how to evaluate these keywords and these metrics. So don't worry about it all at once. The goal of this video was to just get you into this tool and being able to use it, because this is the standard keyword tool for Google search. It's free. So the last thing I want to mention, which confuses many people, is this field for competition. People think this is about competition in search, but this is actually competition in running ads in terms of how expensive their ads will be. Again, at the moment, we're only focusing on using this for keyword research. So this is not competition of how easy it will be to rank for free. This is competition for ad bidding. So if you just want to use this tool for keyword ideas, do not pay attention to this competition field. Also, what you want to do is start going down this list. And for many keywords, this list can be very extensive. For some keywords, this list can be very short. But if you have an extensive list like this, you want to start collecting all the relevant ones for you that you want to rank for. And then in later videos of this course, I'll show you how to prioritize the keywords and I'll show you how to do everything else. But for now, if you're getting results, this is great. And just one word of warning, there are some niches for which Google will not give you results. For example, recently I had a client who was doing something controversial and Google just left this blank. For most niches, that won't happen. But if you have a niche which has legal issues, which has a lot of spam related to it, or a lot of gray area activity, you may not think it's gray area, but it's what Google thinks. So in those cases, if you see no results here, you're going to need to use other keyword tools that I'm going to be showing you later in this course, so that you're not only relying on this tool. But for most cases, this tool is plenty. So if you're here, great, and I'll see you in the next video.